This video is brought to you by WeGotSoccer.com, offering all the latest soccer gear at everyday low prices. Don't forget to use coupon code SR4U at checkout for 10% off any order. Hey guys, Josh from SoccerReviewsForYou.com with a review of the Nike Hypervenom Phantom. So here is a look at the shoes on feet, and you can tell they definitely have a similar silhouette to the Nike Mercurial Vapor 9, and they definitely do have a more tight fit about them, especially from right out of the box. Give the shoe a couple hours of break-in time and you'll find that the soft Nike Skin upper actually does have some pretty good stretch to it, so don't worry if the shoes feel a little bit tight from right out of the box. As far as sizing goes, I'm wearing my usual size 9 US for review, and the fit and the length is absolutely perfect, so if you are looking to order a pair for yourself, I would strongly recommend going true to size. Striking the ball in the Hypervenom Phantom feels absolutely fantastic. The highlight of the boot is definitely the Nike Skin upper that gives the shoe a very natural, almost sock-like feel on your foot. It's extremely flexible, it moves very naturally with the curves and bends of your foot when running and striking the ball, and overall just gives the shoe an extremely comfortable feel. Another one of the highlights of the Hypervenom Phantom is the fit. It features the X1.1 last, which wraps your foot very, very tightly. Like I mentioned, the shoe does have a fairly tight fit from right out of the box, but give it a couple hours of break-in time and you'll find that the upper stretches quite a bit and you'll get that perfect mold between the upper and your foot, giving you that nice custom feel, which is what you're looking for from pretty much any soccer shoe. As far as thinner synthetics go, Nike Skin is by far the most comfortable one that I've personally ever worn. And as far as thickness of the upper goes, it's somewhat unusual. Because it fits so closely to your foot and has such a soft and comfortable feel about it, it's almost as if the upper is not there, but at the same time, the elements of the Nike Skin's construction actually does add a little bit of padding, so it doesn't feel like you're striking the ball without any shoes on. The shoe also features an off-centered lacing system with the laces being pushed to the outside of the boot, so you do have an enlarged striking zone. And as far as grip goes, you do have the honeycomb X-ray texturing that does add a little bit of extra grip when striking the ball. It has almost like a wax feel to the touch and is definitely noticeable when dribbling as well as striking, and overall it's something that I personally really enjoyed, not to mention that it does feature the ACC all conditions control coating that is effective when playing in wet playing conditions. The sole plate and stud pattern combo of the Hypervenom Phantom is another highlight. The thin glass nylon sole plate keeps you nice and close to the ground while still maintaining plenty of rigidity through the midfoot, as well as a very responsive yet flexible feel through the forefoot area of the boot. The stud pattern itself, in terms of its layout, is loosely based off of what you're going to find on the Nike Mercurial Vapor 9, but obviously the studs themselves are conical as opposed to being bladed. The trade-off is that you don't get quite as much grip at push-off, although the low-profile nature of the studs themselves does allow for plenty of ground penetration, but because they are conical studs, you get a little bit more freedom to pivot and maneuver once your foot is planted, which is something that I'm personally a really big fan of. The X-ray texture on the boot itself just gives it a very unique feel when dribbling the ball. It almost has somewhat of a wax finish, and it does have a slightly grippy feel about it, but not to the point where it feels sticky against the surface of the ball, just enough to give you almost a bit of a controlled feel, which is something that I personally really enjoyed. It may take a second to get used to it, but once you've worn the shoes for about a half hour or so, you'll definitely come to like the little bit of extra grip that the X-ray texturing provides. One of the major highlights of the Hypervenom Phantom is that it has that ability to disappear on your foot. This is mainly due to the Nike Skin upper, which is extremely soft and flexible, but when you factor in the incredibly tight fit of the shoe itself, while still maintaining a comfortable and non-restrictive feel, and also the lightweight construction of the boot with it weighing in at only 7.2 ounces, the Hypervenom Phantom is a package that is unlike anything else currently out there on the market. If you were thinking about giving this brand new boot from Nike a try, I would strongly recommend doing so. It is a welcome addition to the Nike range of soccer shoes, and by all means, if you were thinking about getting a pair, I would definitely look into it. It's unlike anything else out there. Is it a worthy successor to the T90 model? That's really up to you, but personally, I'm a really big fan. Alright guys, that's it for my review slash playtest video of the Nike Hypervenom Phantom. Overall, I have pretty much nothing but good things to say about this particular shoe. The Nike Skin upper is absolutely unbelievable. It has a fantastic fit. I love the sole plate and stud pattern combo on this shoe. And if you are looking for a brand new pair of shoes for the upcoming or current season, then I would definitely take a look at the Nike Hypervenom Phantom. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like as well. I will be working on the forward review and should have that up on my website, soccerreviewsforyou.com, in the next week to week and a half. So be sure to check that out. I'll leave a link down below in the description. In the meantime, if you want to check out that review page, you will find the high quality images of this shoe, as well as buy it now links with the best prices online, including exclusive SR4U coupon codes to get yourself some additional discounts if you are interested in ordering a pair for yourself. Other than that, guys, subscribe if you haven't already for daily videos on all the latest soccer gear. All of my social media links can be found down below in the description. And other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. And as always, thanks for watching.